Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating the industry insights slide for a pitch deck presentation template in PowerPoint. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with a new slide. So come over to new slide and we're going to insert a blank slide. Next up, right click and then select format background. Come over to color. We are going to change the color of this background to black. Next up is a shape. Go over to shapes and I'm going to select a rectangle and I'm just going to insert one here. Change the fill of this rectangle to this orange color, which is the color we'll be using throughout for this project. I'm going to show you what the color is. The color is FF7A00. And I'm going to go over to outline, select no outline. The height of this shape is going to be 2.25 and the width is going to be 1.65, and I'm going to just place this rectangle somewhere around here. We may still have to move it, but for now we're going to have it here. We're just going to place it on the left hand side of our slide. Let's now insert another shape. So go over to shapes. I'm going to go over to basic shapes. We're going to use this shape, the cross shape, and I'm going to insert. We're going to remove the outline of this shape. Come over to height, change it to 7, and the width is also going to be 7. Now we're going to use this rectangle. I'm going to align it just like this. So align the middle of this shape to the middle of this, and I'm going to get closer. Now what we want to do is reduce the thickness of this cross right around 2.25 to match the width of that rectangle. So I'm just going to do that. It doesn't have to be perfect, but close enough. So I'm just going to do that. That looks fine to me. I can get closer for that. Let me see. I'm just going to leave it like this. That looks fine. I'm going to zoom out and then I'll just give it a bit of space. Say like this. Now select this rectangle, hold Ctrl and Shift to create another copy and keep the same spacing. Then just extend the width like this. I think I'll prefer more space on the top, so I'll just select both of these and then bring it down just like this. We're going to insert another shape, or we could just create another copy of this. Hold Control and I'm going to bring it here. Let's come over to shape format. The width of this, we're going to change the height to 3.2 and the width will be the same one what we have here, which is 2.25. So I'm going to change this to 2.25 and I'm going to have this. Now the challenge is trying to have the same spacing similar to what we have on the left and right with the top and bottom. I think I have, let me move it slightly, just a little bit. I'll just leave it like that. Maybe let me see what happens if I move it a little bit again. All right, that actually looks better. Then I'm going to select this, hold Control and Shift, create another copy, and then once again match the spacing on top and bottom, and then just extend the height of the rectangle so that it's like this. Next up, we're going to change the fill of this cross with an image. So let's go over to Insert, Pictures, Stock Images. I'm going to give this a moment to load. So I'm going to search for this image building, and that's the keyword I need to find this image, but it's going to take me a bit of scrolling to find it. So I'm going to stop recording. When I locate the image, I'm going to come back and then show you what the image is. All right, this is the image I want. I'm going to select it and then insert. Give this a moment to download into our slide. Now I'm just going to resize this image like this by holding on to the corners and just reducing it. And I'm just going to align it like this. Now I'm going to come over to, under picture format, come over to the selection pane, select the picture and then the cross, go over to shape format, merge options, and we're going to select intersect, and we should have something that looks like this. Next up is going to be our text. Go to insert, text box. I'm going to go to my notes and I'm going to copy this text, which is industry insights, which is going to be our title. and I'm going to paste it here. Select the text box. We're going to change the font to Montserrat. Change the size to 44, and I'm going to change the color of the text to white. And we're going to need another copy of this text box. I'm going to hold Ctrl and Shift to create another copy while also keeping it aligned. Change the size of this text box to 18. And I'm going to grab the accompanying text for our title and then copy it and then paste it here. I'm just going to extend the width so it fits. So the alignment of this text is that it should be aligned to the left edge of this rectangle. So it's aligned to this side of this rectangle. And I'm just going to bring it down a bit. Let's select this text box once again. Hold Ctrl and Shift, create another copy of this text box while also keeping it aligned. The size of this text is going to be 24, and I'm going to grab our contents for our slide. I'm going to go ahead and copy and then paste. Select the entire text box and we're going to make it bullet points just like this. And yeah, we have our slide. Now we can go ahead to add in our transition and animation. Let's select this slide, Ctrl D to duplicate. Come back to slide 11. Select all of the text in this slide and delete it. I'm going to select this rectangle, move it all the way to the right and out of the frame. Select the rectangle on top, move it out of the frame also. Select the one in the bottom, move it out of the frame. And then finally, select these two, move them out of the frame on the left side. Let me come closer. And let me move this a little bit to the left as well. For this one, we are going to rotate it in this direction like this. Go over to transitions. We're going to use the wipe transition, and duration is going to be 2.25. Now come to the next one, the one underneath, and we are going to apply the morph transition. Duration is going to be 3 seconds. Now let's come over to animations. I'm going to select these two, Ctrl G to group because I want them to come in together at the same time. We're going to use flying. Effect options is going to be from top. Start is going to be with previous. Duration is going to be 1.50. Come over to this additional effect options. Make bounce end 0.25. Next, we're going to select this one. It's also going to be flying. Go over to effect options. I'm going to scroll down and it's going to be from paragraph. Start is going to be after previous. Duration is going to be 1.50. Let's go over to additional effects options and bounce end is going to be 0.25, and we're going to see a preview of our animation. And yeah, let's see what our slide looks like in the slideshow view. Go to the previous one, the one on top. Let's start our slideshow, and I'm going to use my arrow key to go to the next one. So we're going to have this, and then we're going to have our text coming. Anyway, that is it for this slide. If you want to watch the other videos in this series where I create all of the other slides in our pitch deck template, you can go ahead and check out the description box below to the link to the individual videos, or you could click on the video or playlist on screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.